Hi, I'm Asif Farouk and this is Finextra at Cybos. I'm joined today by Hembrow of CGI. Thank you for joining us. So 12 months ago it was announced that CGI was buying Logica. 12 months on, how has that acquisition added value to your transaction banking clients?
So it's adding value in a number of ways. So CGI brought a wealth of experience from the North American market, whereas Logica was predominantly in the European market, and so we've been able to add both to create much more of a global view to our client base. That's the first area. The second area is we have augmented the deep payments expertise that we had in Logica with the excellent cash management and trade finance expertise in CGI, so that we provide a much more complete capability, both from a subject matter expertise, but also from a technology capability to our transaction banking clients.
And what are some of the key trends that you're seeing in the market?
Well, let me answer that from two perspectives. One is from our transaction banking clients' perspective, but also from their clients' perspectives, because I think we need to look at both sides to really understand what's going on in the market. So transaction banking, like many parts of banking, is having to rethink which businesses it's in, which products, which geographies, because of the impact of the new capital and also other regulations coming into force. Transaction banking is also highly attractive in most banking groups, and so it's an area also of significant growth aspirations. But on the refocus side, this means that they're looking at only certain product sets, certain geographies, and that also means that their legacy platforms which ran those businesses are probably not in scale with their business today or their business tomorrow. And so they're looking to see how they can right-size their current infrastructure to meet their business needs. Now, often in these application architectures that they have in banks, they're often quite duplicative and complex, and that's a result of years and years of changes going on, more changes. So in order to reduce the cost and improve the return on equity, they're looking to see how can I simplify, how can I have more efficient systems and processes to produce better services for my clients. And at the same time, they're needing to comply with new regulations and standards, and sometimes the legacy platforms can't meet those standards, and therefore they're having to look at replacement. On the client side, CGI have recently done some research with corporate clients, looking at what did they expect from their banking relationships. And we're seeing quite a significant shift, because the corporates themselves are changing the way that they want to transact, and the types of information and services and how they deal with their own internal processes in their trade finance or in their payments areas. And so what we're seeing is a significant demand for improved corporate portals from the banks. We're even seeing demand for corporate portals across a number of banks, because the corporates want to interact with their banking relationships and have a complete view across product, not only in order to transact the transactions themselves, but to have a look at their current intraday positions. And this is very difficult for a lot of the banks. So what we're seeing is the banks coming to us saying, how can we make our current platforms more efficient? How can we move quickly to better service our corporate clients?
And I guess the next obvious question is, what is CGI doing to address those issues?
Well, we're looking at it both from a technology point of view, but also how we work with our clients to help them from a return on equity perspective. So from the legacy Logica business, we obviously have applications in the payment space. From the legacy CGI organisation, we have applications from the trade finance and cash management space. What we're doing is bringing those together for our transaction banking clients, exposing those as business services, and looking to see how we can help them develop those as services into their customer portals. But I think most importantly, what we're also seeing is how can we do the financial engineering about that, so they bring forward the financial benefits of going through those changes, and how can they actually benefit from using software as a service. So our offer is not only from a technology point of view, but from a financial engineering point of view.